Do you know what makes someone irresistible in relationships? It's not about looks, money, or status, although society often places a heavy emphasis on these traits. They may open doors or grab attention, but they don't create the lasting magnetism that forms deep, meaningful connections. It's something much deeper. By the end of this video, you'll discover the secret traits that make people absolutely captivating, traits you can develop starting today. Let's get started. Welcome to the Buddha Whispers channel. Here, we decode human behavior and share actionable tips to improve your relationships, self-confidence, and overall life. If that's your goal, make sure to follow the channel for more insights. Now let's dive into the psychology behind magnetic attraction. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is your ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively. It plays a key role in fostering strong, healthy relationships because it helps you navigate complex emotional dynamics and build trust with others. People with high EQ are natural connectors. They listen more than they speak, making others feel seen and valued. Start by practicing active listening. Don't just hear words, but really tune in to what's being said. Emotional intelligence also includes empathy, the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes and genuinely understand their feelings. This makes you a person others can rely on during both good times and bad. Ask yourself, when was the last time someone felt truly understood by you? That's where the magic starts. Practice this regularly and watch how your relationships transform. Confidence is magnetic, but arrogance, that's a deal breaker because it creates distance rather than connection. Arrogance often signals insecurity and a need to dominate, while true confidence comes from a quiet assurance in one's value, which naturally invites others in. True confidence comes from knowing your worth without needing to prove it. It's walking into a room and feeling at ease without demanding attention. This quiet confidence is both calming and reassuring, making others want to be in your presence. Here's a quick exercise. Think of one thing you genuinely love about yourself. Maybe it's your humor, your kindness, or your determination. Focus on that the next time you're in social situations. It'll show naturally. Remember, confidence isn't about perfection. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all. You'd be amazed how irresistible curiosity makes you. When you show genuine interest in others' stories, passions, and opinions, it's like a magnet. People want to be around those who make them feel interesting. Curiosity also fosters deeper conversations, creating a stronger emotional bond. It shows that you value others and are willing to invest your time and energy in them, which is incredibly flattering. Try this. Instead of asking, "How was your day?" go for something deeper, like, "What's the most exciting thing that happened to you recently?" Notice the difference it makes. You'll find people opening up to you in ways they haven't with others. Being an open book can sometimes backfire. A little mystery goes a long way in keeping people intrigued. Share enough to connect, but leave room for curiosity. It's about balance, not playing games, but being intentional. Mystery keeps interactions dynamic, making people eager to learn more about you. Think of it this way. If you tell someone your life story in the first 5 minutes, what's left to discover? By pacing how much you reveal, you keep people coming back, wanting more. Consider saving some stories or personal details for future conversations. It makes relationships more exciting and layered. Perfection is overrated. People are drawn to those who are real, flaws and all. Think about it. How many meaningful relationships have blossomed because someone showed their true self, imperfections included? Authenticity builds trust and makes interactions feel genuine, creating a foundation for deeper connections. Authenticity isn't just about honesty, it's about vulnerability and the willingness to let others see the real you. When people sense that you're genuine, they feel safe and valued in your presence. Own your quirks. They're what make you, you. Here's a challenge. The next time you catch yourself trying to impress someone, pause and ask, "Am I being authentic right now?" The answer might surprise you. Authenticity doesn't just attract people, it makes them stay. Mastering these traits isn't about manipulating others, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. When you're authentic, curious, and emotionally intelligent, people can't help but be drawn to you. These traits form the foundation of meaningful connections and lasting relationships. Which of these traits do you think is the most important? Have you noticed these traits in others? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't subscribe to follow the channel for more tips on psychology and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.